Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 282 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about entering a season for release, a time to gently let go of what you no longer need to carry. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel your body soften with each breath. Notice what feels heavy in your thoughts, in your heart, in your energy. Now, say to yourself, I release what no longer serves me. I allow myself to rest, and I open to renewal. Like leaves falling from the trees, imagine your worries drifting away, making space for peace and lightness. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this ease with you into your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.